Today we're going to be making some Alabama smoked chicken wings, but before we do, just turn off the lights and light up pit balls. Alright, so since we got that out the way, so we're going to go with our fresh chicken wings. Now, let me go ahead and go on this rant real quick. So, chicken wing prices are through the roof, man. I paid about $17 for, about 5 pounds. I have heard people paying upwards of $50, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I ain't paying $50 for no chicken wings. However, I do love my chicken wings. So, just make sure, you get these bad boys all separated into drums and flats. So that's just what I'm doing here. Now, you can't find those wings that's already separated for you. And then, as always, a dry wing is going to be a crispy wing. So we're going to place these on a paper towel, and then we're going to get these bad boys patted dry. The drier we can get these wings, the better off it'll be when we put those bad boys on that pit boss. So now, we're going to place them in this bowl right here, and then we're going to get them seasoned up. So you got to go with the seasoning. So I got that all-purpose seasoning, and we just going to get these bad boys seasoned up. So you can't go with no bland chicken with this recipe. So get these bad boys seasoned up, and then, get it mixed up nicely. I wanted to add a little bit more seasoning, so that's what I'm doing here, just how I like it. And then after that, man, let it rest. Now we're going to make this Alabama white sauce. So we got some mayo. We got a little bit of horseradish, right? And then we're going in with some brown mustard. Now the ingredients will be in the description box below. We got a little bit of honey, make it a little bit sweet. Then some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of cayenne pepper to give it a little bit of kick. And then we're going in with some freshly ground pepper. And then also, you got to hit that thing with a salt to taste, right? So you got to salt. Give it a little bit of flavor, right? So now we just go get these ingredients mixed up. And I'm always excited about my sauces, man. So look at that sauce right there. However, I forgot that lemon. So you gotta have squeezed lemon in that sauce. And then after you do that, mix that bad boy up, put it in the fridge, let it sit, let those ingredients marinate, right? Now we got that pit boss. We're going to place that bad boy on 450. Now we're going down with the drums first. So the drums are going to be a little bit longer to cook. So we want to have that over the direct heat, right? So we're going to take this about, 7 to 10 minutes and then give it a flip. Now you see me with the flats. So I'm placing the flats, on an indirect heat first off, again, because it's going to take a little less time to cook. So now, you after 7 to 10 minutes, you want to monitor those wings and then flip and move accordingly. And then just be, careful with those open flames, because we do have that flame broiler open on this recipe. So again, you see me just moving those wings around, and then we, flip that top back down. Now we're going back up. And then, like I said, it's just about seeing your wings and where they are. So right there, hey, that's perfect for me. So now we're just going to place these wings on indirect heat, and we're going to let these wings cook for the remaining of the session. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you, man, these wings are going to be fantastic. And the thing about chicken wings is, you can cook them above, the 165 safety zone, and it's still going to be moist. But, get your thermometer and make sure those wings are at least 165, right? And then you can take those bad boys out. So we just taking these wings out, and then we go dip them in that Alabama white sauce, right? So you see those wings right there. There they go. So they got a little bit of sear on them, and that's what you want. So now we just gonna place these bad boys in the Alabama white sauce and get those bad boys sauced up and ready to go. So we got that big game coming up, and these wings will be fantastic for your guests, man, for your family, for any occasion, to be honest with you. We got to get these bad boys plated up too. So you already know, man, you got to get that presentation. So plate those wings up, man. And then we got some dry, parsley. You can go with fresh parsley if you like. Hey, this is just what I had in my cabinet. All right, there you have it right there. You got your Alabama white sauce wings right there, smoked on that pit boss. Look at that right there. Ooh-wee. And you already know what we got to do. We got to get a taste test of this bad boy. Look at that right there. Ooh. Now that's absolutely delicious. Now that's bussin' right there. Now that's certified delicious and bussin'. Please like this video if you like this content, and if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. And for the people that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into these Alabama sauce wings, and we'll see y'all later. Peace.